Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do a little comparison between Chime and Cash App, which is going to be the best financial app for you. So we are going to put here the lines or the highlight about the two apps or the two platforms of both Chime and Cash App and let you know what is going to be the better solution for you. So, Chime and Cash App are both popular financial platforms, but they serve different primary functions. We're going to start by the Chime. Chime is a neobank that offers online banking services with no monthly fees, and this is something good. Overdraft fees or minimum balance requirements. It provides a checking account. Also, it is going to be known as a spending account, a high yield saving account between or it is going to get the value of 0.50% APY and a secured credit card. Chime allows users to receive direct deposits up to 2 days early and offers fee free access to 38 or more than 38,000 ATMs. The deposits are going to be FDIC insured up to $250,000, adding a layer of security that Cash Apps lack. However, Chime has no physical branches and limited cash deposit. Now, for the Cash App is going to be basically primarily a peer to peer or P2P payment app that lets users send and receive and also invest money. It offers a cash card or a debit card that works with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and the others, and supports Bitcoin transactions and also stock investing. Users can set up direct deposit and receive payments early. However, Cash App charges up to a 3% fee for credit card transfers and also a 1.5% instant transfer fee and $2 ATM withdrawal fees unless users receive plus than $300 in direct deposit per month. So the key differences here is going to be best for the bank. And here I'm going to put the best for the bank Chime because it has a full banking services, saving accounts, FDIC insurance, and for the best for payment and investing app, it is going to be Cash App because it has the peer-to-peer transfers, stock tradings, and Bitcoin transactions. Although they have some fees, but it is going to be something that is necessary. Now, for the fees, Chime has a fewer fees. Cash App charges for instant transfers and also ATM withdrawal, which is going to be $2, I think. Yes, it is going to be $2. And for the security, we are going to give the award to Chime deposits because they are FDIC insured, while Cash App are not. So, which one is going to be better for you? If you are going to choose Chime, here, that means that you want a fee-free banking experience with savings options and also security. If you are going to choose Cash App, that means that you are going to prioritize quick payments, investing, and crypto trading. If you need a full banking solution, use Chime. It is going to be a better choice. But if you want an easy way to send and receive money for, let's say, between friends, between workers, and also some, let's say, friendly tips or something like that, go ahead and use Cash App. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.